What's up, y'all? This is like the third time I've tried to make this video, and this is going to be a charm. So this is for my high school students, you guys that are checking into this YouTube channel like, dude, what are you doing? You don't play keyboards. I come here for bass stuff. But some of you guys know that I'm also a high school music teacher, and we're doing a Prince tribute. Raspberry Beret is one of the tunes, and part of the way that I like to keep my kids prepared is by putting up supplemental videos like this one for them. Don't you wish your music teacher would have done something like that for you? Don't be hating. So here it is. This is for my keyboard players. Nadine, I'm looking at you. These are the basic chords. I'm not going to go over the bridge part. And some of this stuff, I'm going to show you the block chords. But we're going to have to trick it out because, you know. Also, I'm playing this little Akai mini keyboard, so my keyboard skills already lacking. They're going to be extra lacking with this little Akai MPK mini. That's just the way it is. So here are your basic chords in block form. And if you take a look at the screen, you're going to look at the notes, the chords, obviously, that are grayed out. Those are the ones I'm playing. So you've got an A major. Then you're going to go down to G. Then we're going to play a D over F sharp, back to G, then we're going to play G, D over F sharp, and then A. And the pattern that I want you to play is like this. Okay, so a little bit of a juggling act that has to happen between that G, D, A, but you know, some of you guys play keyboards better than me. So that is the verse and most of the chorus. So here's the chorus. She won't ride. Second hand store, she wouldn't wear much more. Raspberry beret. Now we're gonna go to E. I think I love her. So the E I'm playing is gonna be like I said, I got this little bitty tiny keyboard. I will have you play E in the bass. Bass player will also play E. But you're going to play an E, G sharp, B, E, and then A. Sorry, that's not an A, but that is. So, she won't she won't That's also not an A, but that is keep playing. This is the tiny keyboard is about that big. So we will talk about the bridge in class because that's what I'm gonna have my other two keyboard players doing this, doing all the little string patches and stuff like that. I can't wait for this. All your excuses are gone as far as listening to this tune and the other tunes that we're working on. So it's going up on YouTube. I'm actually going to put this up today before I go see the Revolution. So, anyway, peace, two fingers. I will see you guys in class. Later.